Hey spooks, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this magenta inspired makeup look from Rocky Horror Picture Show. Now obviously this is a little different from the movie version of Magenta. I kind of just really wanted to do my own little take on it, do maybe potentially a more wearable version for people. I personally think that the one in the movie is absolutely amazing. I definitely plan on doing that at some point, but for this year I just wanted to do my own version of Magenta because I felt inspired to do so and it's a fun time. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this magenta inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey spooks, so to get started I'm going to be priming my face with my Burgundy Beauty Fringe Benefit Primer, and then after this I'm going to be moving on to foundation, where I'm taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in light neutral and applying it all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be taking my Burgundy Beauty Cream Powder Foundation in Mocha and using this as a cream contour and applying it to the areas that I want to deepen before blending that out and moving on to some highlight. So I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and applying this to the areas that I now want to brighten, and after I filled in my eyebrows I'm going to go ahead and blend this out and set that with some of my Airspun Translucent Powder just to make sure that it doesn't start creasing throughout the evening. Next, I'm going to be going into my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and priming my eyelids before going into my Disney Designer Midnight Masquerade collection by ColourPop, taking Pip and just sweeping this through my crease just to kind of help give a nice base color, making sure to blend as I go. I'm then going to be going into Spinning Wheel with a small flat brush, and I'm just going to be applying that to my brow bone to help lift and brighten that before going into Damsel and applying this into the crease as well, once again making sure to blend as I go and even bringing that down to the lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking New Dream and really packing that on to my eyelid, but making sure to use a lighter hand as we get closer towards the brow bone just to kind of help make sure that it starts to blend away into our transition color. You can even use a blending brush to help assist with this as well. And then I'm going to really be building up that color by going into Gaston next and doing the exact same thing. I'm even going to be bringing that down to the lower lash line as well before going into Quasimodo, and I'm going to be doing the same thing I've done with the past two colors and really just building that up onto my eyelid and definitely making sure to blend this out so it doesn't start to look too crazy intense or too messy. And then I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Villains Misunderstood palette, taking 101 and really just deepening up that lid as well. Next, I'm going to be going into my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Dimensional Dark Brown and applying this to my lower waterline, and then I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Black Liquid Eyeliner and just creating a cat eye. Moving back to the face, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, taking Medium and Dark Cocoa and just deepening up my cheekbones in the contour from earlier, and then I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Kissin' a Frog Disney Designer Blush and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks before bronzing up my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For my highlight, I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, taking Vivid and Ethereal, mixing them together and just highlighting my cheekbones and my nose before prepping my eyelashes by curling them and going into my Tarte Tardiest Lash Paint Mascara and just sweeping that through my eyelashes. I'm definitely going to be accentuating the lower lashes a little bit more than normal to kind of pay tribute to the movie version. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be taking my NYX lip pencil in Burgundy and outlining my lips with this, and then while this was happening my eyelashes were already ready to go and ready to pop on, so I stopped this to apply my E&E lashes in Cherry onto my upper lash line, and then once that was done and set, I'm going to be moving back to lips and taking my Snow White Disney Designer ColourPop lipstick and applying that all over the lips, and then I went into my Disney Villains collection lip gloss in Bad Apple and applied that onto the lips, and I wanted to incorporate a little bit more purple, so I took my NYX Slip Tease in Karma Suya and applied that right on top to get the perfect finish. And that is the completed magenta inspired makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!